And the man didn't say anything for a while. Sort of stared at me. And then he said, "How do you go about doing that then?" And I said, "You're the outside careers advisor, aren't you meant to tell me?" And then we sat there. And then he said, "Have you ever thought about accountancy?" And I was an honest lad, and I said, "No, I have never thought about accountancy." And then we sat there some more, in complete silence. And after a while I said, "Shall I show the next boy in?" And he said, "I rather think you'd better." That was my careers advice. It's the best I ever got. So I sort of wanted